Hello guys, this is Moji from Energy Group channel. In this video I want to show you how to install Aspen 8.8. First you need to open DVD drive and go to the crack folder. You need to install the RMS software. Just run it. This installation is partly different from the previous version, which was 8.6. Moji Energy Group, and okay. Now you need to add a rule to your computer. Just right click on computer, go to the properties, advanced system setting, go to environment variable and add a new rule. Okay, the variable name should be your computer name, for example process PC, and the variable value should be the address to the file in your drive C. Go to your drive C, the program file. If you using Windows 64-bit, you need to go to the program file x86, and after that go to the common file, go to save net sanctional, go to sanctional RMS license manager WinNT, and address this file. Okay, so I will copy the address here and start exe. Okay, as you can see I have the rule here, and make sure you are not connected to the internet. Okay, but don't disable your network adapter. Just disconnect your internet or your Wi-Fi, or you unplug your cable, whatever you need to do to disconnect your computer from the internet. Okay, go to the tools folder and run wlm admin as administrator. Okay, as you can see, since my computer is under a domain, so you can see that my computer name is changed a bit. So right click on your computer name, from file to server and its file, and address the text file, which is license.txt, to the server. It takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes to add all licenses to the server. Okay, now we have the license installed on our PC. We can close all the windows and start to install the software. So we go to the main root of the DVD. Start to install the application. Okay, so as you can see, some of the part are marked by the software itself. You can just add or remove the others. You can see, for example, I just need Aspen High Sys and Aspen Plus. I don't want to install the rest, so that's all for me for now. Also, if you want, you can change the installation folders. You don't need to change anything here, just next, next, and install. It takes a while to install the software, so I will pause the video and will continue later. Okay guys, now I've restarted my computer and I want to copy the DLL file to the specified folder, so just need to copy this DLL file and go to your drive C where the Windows is installed. Go to your program file in 64-bit version of Windows. You need to go to program file x86 and go to the common file Aspen texture and copy the DLL file here. Okay, and also go to the Hypertext shared and copy the file here as well. Now we need to run the software. Make sure to you should have to make sure that for the first time run the HiSys first and run it as administrator. That will help you to configure the software better. As you can see, the HiSys is running without any problem, and now you can start to simulate your PDF, PFD and your plans. Good luck. Have a nice